Because of such an important role,
How the first cloud service provider works. Cloud services have become an essential part of modern life. They allow us to access our data from anywhere in the world, and they're always available when we need them. But how do they work? And what is the first cloud service provider? You will come to our article right away. What is cloud service provider? A cloud service provider, CSP, is a company that provides various computing services, such as storage, processing power, and applications, to other organizations or individuals over the Internet or a private network. CSPs own and operate the infrastructure, hardware, and software required to deliver these services to their customers. Cloud service providers enable users to access and use computing resources without the need for costly and complex on-premises infrastructure. Some examples of cloud services provided by CSPs include cloud storage, cloud computing, cloud hosting, and cloud-based applications such as email, customer relationship management, CRM, and enterprise resource planning, ERP. CSPs may offer different levels of service, such as infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, or software as a service, SaaS. They may also offer different deployment models, such as public cloud, private cloud, or hybrid cloud. Examples of cloud service providers include Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, GCP, IBM Cloud, and Oracle Cloud. The first cloud service provider. The concept of cloud computing and cloud services has been around for several decades. But the first cloud service provider as we know it today is widely considered to be Salesforce.com. Salesforce.com was founded in 1999 and initially offered a customer relationship management (CRM) platform that could be accessed through a web browser. This was a significant departure from traditional CRM software, which was typically installed on premises and required significant hardware and software investments. Salesforce.com's platform was initially hosted on servers in a traditional data center, but in 2006, the company introduced its multi-tenant architecture, which allowed multiple customers to share a single instance of the software, running on a shared infrastructure. This was a significant innovation that paved the way for the cloud computing model that we know today. Other companies such as Amazon Web Services, AWS, Google Cloud Platform, GCP, and Microsoft Azure have since emerged as major players in the cloud services market, but Salesforce.com is widely regarded as the first true cloud service provider. How the first cloud service provider works. Customers signed up for Salesforce.com's CRM software through a web browser. The software was hosted on Salesforce.com's servers, rather than on the customer's own computers or servers. This meant that customers did not need to install any software or hardware to use the service. Users could access the software and their customer data through a web browser from any location with an internet connection. Salesforce.com provided the necessary infrastructure, including servers, storage, and network resources, to run the software and store customer data. Salesforce.com also provided technical support, maintenance, and upgrades to the software and infrastructure, which allowed customers to focus on their core business activities. Customers paid a monthly subscription fee to use the service, which was based on the number of users and the level of service required. This model was revolutionary at the time, as it allowed small and medium-sized businesses to access enterprise-level software without the need for significant upfront investment in hardware or software. This paved the way for other cloud service providers to launch similar offerings, such as Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, and Microsoft Azure. How can I decide which first cloud service provider is the best for me? Choosing the best cloud service provider for your needs can be a challenging task, but there are a few key factors you can consider to make an informed decision. Here are some things to consider when deciding which cloud service provider is the best for you. Pricing. Cloud service providers offer a range of pricing models, from pay-as-you-go to monthly or annual subscriptions. Consider the pricing plans of each provider, including any hidden fees or additional costs, to ensure that you are choosing a provider that fits within your budget. Performance and reliability. The performance and reliability of the cloud service provider is essential to ensure that your applications and services are always available and responsive. Look for a provider that has a good track record of uptime and provides fast and reliable performance. DMS is a category of application designed with the primary goal of implementing digital and modernizing a specific business process. Scalability. Your business needs may grow over time, so it's important to choose a cloud service provider that can scale with your needs. Look for a provider that offers easy scalability options, such as the ability to add or remove resources as needed. Security and compliance. Security is a critical factor when choosing a cloud service provider. Look for a provider that offers strong security measures and compliance with industry standards, such as HIPAA or PCI DSS. Support and customer service. When you encounter issues with your cloud service, you'll want to have access to a knowledgeable and responsive support team. Look for a provider that offers excellent customer service and support, including 24/7 availability. Overall, it's important to carefully consider your business needs and do your research before choosing a cloud service provider. Take the time to evaluate different providers and compare their features and pricing to ensure that you are making an informed decision. The first cloud service provider works by allowing its users to pay for their services in advance using a payment gateway. This allows users to have full control over their data and can be used to store large files or entire websites. The first cloud service provider also allows its users to access their data from any device or location. However, it's important to consider factors such as pricing, performance and reliability, scalability, security and compliance, and support and customer service when choosing a cloud service provider. If you are interested in this server, AODS.info is ready to share it with you. Scroll down for information. What is OVH server?